Aries, this is your channel messages for the 2nd of May. Aries, your channel message was something about someone's you think someone. Listen, if you ask me how this works, basically if you have a conversation and you say it out of your mouth and me in deep meditation at the time, chances are mega here. Okay, so me getting somebody talking about you remind them of an aristocrat or something about an aristocrat. Maybe someone is an aristocrat. Okay, an aristocrat is a member of aristocracy, traditionally a high-ranking social class characterized by hereditary titles, wealth, and privilege. In many societies, aristocrats hold positions of power and influence, often with inherited rights and obligations. So I'm getting someone's an aristocrat. Okay, Aries, the emperor, that sounds like you. Go ahead and go into your reading. Aries. Okay, I'm getting everybody's packed up like a tin of sardines and trying to get into this small door. Like pushing and shoving, pushing. We're getting something about like this really small entrance. You know, like a Black Friday. How come there's no White Fridays? Talking about equality. You know, this is why Black Lives Matter, White Lives Matter, Black Friday. What was happening on the White Friday? Because if the Black Friday mean that everything was sold at a lower cost, they were selling niggas on Friday. They were selling niggas on Friday. That's why everything was discounted. Ain't no motherfucking way some white people gonna be like, we gonna call it Black Friday. Bitch, how come there's no White Friday? And if Black Friday is a discount, is White Friday the influctuation of goods and services for a potential gain from niggas? Let's go ahead and wait your reading. Me getting everybody's pushing their way through the small door, or me getting everybody want to get in. It's not everybody going to get in. Okay, not everybody. Okay, Emma Watson, she walks with. Let me make sure that's her name. Emma Watson. Emma. Okay, wait. Not everybody will get in. You should know that. Emma Watson. Emma Watson walk with her tarot deck. Emma Watson walks with her tarot deck. Dupa Loop. I come and I go. Prove you got the right to please me. Everybody knows. Catch me on the go. Houdini. Dua Lipa. She got in. And I do that and I shoot it and I knew that and I said, I'm so fancy. And then do this thing and then do it and I shoot it and I could and I would that. Yes, not everybody can get in, you should know that. Okay? Especially Emma Watson and what she call Dua Lipa, they walk with their tarot decks. So they had to get in. Anyways, let's go ahead and go into your reading, Aries. Let's bring the energy back down to a more subtle vibe and let's go ahead. We have the Four of Pentacles coming out first. Yeah, so I'm getting a very short list. Not everybody makes the list or something about a list. The Four of Pentacles, I'm getting a list that is so exclusive, not everybody can see it. Okay, now the Four of Pentacles will lead to the Five of Pentacles, so I'm getting one more mistake and you're out. Aries, aristocracy. Okay, it could be something about your connection to this wealthy family. Them saying, oh, one more and you're out. The Four of Pentacles. If you don't stop what you're doing, if you don't hold back, one more and you're gone. So I'm getting something about a warning. Yeah, I'm getting a warning. Somebody warning you. Six of Cups, like one more and you're out. One more and you're. If you do it again, I'm getting something about a very short person. Short person. Okay. But I'm getting someone's like saying, yeah, one more, and if you do it again, you're gone. Like you're getting scolding for something, okay? The King of Cups, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Like someone is saying, do not talk to somebody. When you say them, don't do this, don't do that. If you do it again, and you're like, but you're not really doing nothing wrong, because Cancer, Pisces, Scorpios are usually very, very friendly. Unless somebody's telling you have to hide your feelings for the sake of this man looking better than you. Yeah, maybe Seven of Wands. But me getting the crowd don't want him. The crowd want you. What is this? Come getting you come from a high-ranking family, or all of these men come from very high. Me getting something about a warning. You're getting this warning. You're getting attack on the road. Hi, Emperor. Take these words of divine to my Emperor right away. Tell him to be mine. I don't want him to stray. Words of divine to the Empress right away. Tell her to be fine. I'll be there on that day. So it's either your father is giving you a warning, or me getting you fire your uncle. Either you fire your uncle, your father giving you a warning, or yeah, something about a warning. Or me getting you saying, listen, I'm going to be really honestly, people, honestly, crowd, honestly, HBO, honestly, I had to cover for my dad. Me getting you saying that. And then the crowd is like, oh, sorry, son, excuse me. Me getting your father come on the heat. Something about somebody schooling you. Or maybe somebody feel like you lie about money. The Four of Pentacles is clarified by the four. But so you're 44. Yeah, you're not telling a lie. This could also be somebody's wondering why them don't see you out more. Me getting where you go outside go do? Go window shop? What the fuck is this? Are you a teenager? Teenagers can window shop, that's fine. Them can go mall and walk up and down. And you give them money so them can go buy food and walk up and down with them friends. If it's a parent, you tell them do not leave the mall. As a matter of fact, if you were a good parent, you would have dropped them off at the mall, even though the mall is a very dangerous place. I don't care if them even 15, that's still young. The mall dangerous, that's how then traffic can rob and take you away. But sometimes when the kids them want hang out, them want go mall. Them not have money for shop. So them window shop, them going to start. Hope for their child is not a thief. I'm going to the people them the Adidas store, they're stealing sneakers. For fucking what? And it wasn't even his size. He was trying to impress the girl. Because you know the saying, the bigger the feet, the bigger the... But that ain't true. Ain't true. Anyways, right? You'd have dropped them off there and you give them money so them can buy things for eat in the food court. And then walk up and down. And you tell them do not leave the mall. And when you're done, you call them and pick you up. Don't come out of the buildings. But malls are scary. Anyways, somebody, yeah. We're getting why you're going outside. What them why you socialize with. No, this could be maybe something about somebody want to invite you somewhere. But me getting the reason why you're always inside sleeping is because you don't have much. Well, you must go outside, go do solicit. I don't understand. Why don't you just sit down outside? For what? Are you selling something? You just have to sit down outside. For what? What you go outside for? You're buying something? Worse, you're broke. Why you go out? Why you go on the road and you're broke? Go look for other people that spend money. Go look for other people that enjoy them life. Why you outside? You don't have much. You know what happened to people who don't have much? Them outside, like at 129 Peter Street. You don't have money. Why you at the outside? The Six of Cups is clarified by the... Where you at the outside? Also, yeah, me getting something about a warning. I don't know if someone's hiding for you. Them a cover for you. Something about the death of somebody. But me hear you say if you do it one more time, maybe you know that your son is Jeffrey Dahmer. I'm getting you have a lot of money, you're high ranking, you're an aristocrat, somebody might like human stuff. And you find another body. Sorry, YouTube, I don't mean to be distractive and drastic and scare the kids. And it's like, yeah, tell your son, if you do it again, stop. If you do it again, never. Okay, so your father is very high tolerance of this weird thing. The kid. Also, you need to be careful. Because I feel you school your child. And your child feel depressed. You don't know how badly your words are hitting him. Because I feel like, yes, you would think you give your child criticism, good criticism. Your child feels suicidal. Your child feel like a disappointment. Your child feel like nothing them do can ever please you. And regardless of how you say how you feel in your head, no, that's not what I meant. That's what your child absorbed. That's why some of these parents, we don't know what happened. The kids them are fucking 12 and they commit suicide. What kind of shit is that? How the fuck them 12? Them not go through marriage, them not go through mortgage, them not go through homelessness. How the fuck a kid must be that blood clot depressed that them commit suicide at blood clot 12? The whole of the fucking parents will get locked the fuck up for neglect. Know that. Is it that you poison the blood clot? What kind of 12-year-old a blood clot put noose around them neck? What kind of 13-year-old a put blood clot noose around them neck? 13. You never been Ross married. What was a 13-year-old going through so much? God give you 100 blood clot years for live. The aristocrat did live very, very long. What kind of argument about a 13, 12-year-old, 10-year-old, 15-year-old suicidal and everybody ignore it? Now you have a 13-year-old dead boy, dead girl, will hang themselves or God knows what the fuck this kid did. And then the family is like, oh my God, we saw no sign. We a bumble clot meaning us in a sign. You know why you gonna say every blood clot there? A prison guard. You I get blood clot charge if I made a fucking judge. I don't want to hear no blood clot sad story. I don't want to hear sad stories, cause the damage already done. King of Cups is clarified by the damage done. I don't know if this is an argument about your son. I don't know if he might get bullied at school or something about a daughter get bullied at school. But I get like somebody I say, if you do it one more time, I don't know what this is. I don't know if you're a bully, if it's a bully at school, I threaten you every day. You're a bully at school is threatening you, telling you say I'm gonna kill you. And what did your parents do? Nothing. You're not my son. You should have been my son. You should have been my son. I'd have fucked him up off school compound. Pussy hole. 7 of Wands is clarified by the Lover's card. Yeah, something about a Gemini or something about this person who you're dating. Maybe you bully them and beat you up because this girl. That's a Lover's card. But I'm getting a Gemini is under heat. Somebody under heat. You under heat. Or maybe somebody I tell you to stay away from somebody. Let's see what the Emperor is. The Emperor is the 6 of Pentacles. I feel like somebody over here, so, but don't have money. Them struggling. But you see, the Emperor is a type of man where if you're going to a grocery store, he will pay for. That's like you have a girlfriend and she has struggle, but when you go up on road, you pass it forward for other people. You go up on dinner date, you try to impress waitress and give her a big tip. You're outside in a grocery store, you just say, I'm gonna pay for that. Yeah, but somebody over here, them don't have nothing. The 4 of Pentacles lead to the 5 of Pentacles. But me getting the Emperor, them feel like them can go around and treat people like shit and treat people like garbage, but if them doing philanthropy thing, it balance them heart. Fuck all, you got blood clot hell. You know that? You think you could have taken advantage of blood clot young people, or you taking advantage of vulnerable people, but because when you're in a grocery store, because when you're out on the road, because you have philanthropy work doing, it balance out your blood clot karma. It's about the intention, not about the deed or the act. That's why you would think. You're gonna neglect somebody, you're gonna scorn somebody, you're gonna put somebody through hell, make them stay inside. But when you're outside, you're gonna be very philanthropic to other people. You got blood clot hell anyways, and also your balance karma. Stupid. You as fucked up at the time Oprah bought the fucking school for girls, and when she buy the school for the girl them in a fucking wherever it is, the people them start molest the kids them at the school. All under Oprah blood clot name. And how much kids was missing from the fucking orphanage after Oprah bite. One more. You saw it? The Emperor. So we have Emperor 2 times. And it actually came up with the 9 of, the 9 of Swords. It's something about twins, brothers. It could be something about uncle. Me getting you gonna fire one uncle and you're gonna rehire the other one. And you know what? If the 2 brothers have the same last name, you don't even have to change the documents completely. You can just transfer it over to the other uncle's name. Because if 2 of them are brother and him are the one who had this to you, me getting you say no, you're fired. You getting you fire this man. Him get fired and you rehire this one. Emperor we have it 3 times. in total about 2 times here. I'm getting about 2 emperors, 2 men. And if you're a woman who, I don't know if you're considering dating 2 men at a time and you feel like you're going to get a lot of backlash, it is okay. Your mother is getting backlash for not knowing who the fuck your father is and expect you to buy blood clot Mother's Day gift for them. So it's okay. It's okay. It's fine. Okay? So don't worry. You might feel like, it might feel like a little hoary. It's gonna feel like, oh my God, this is so wrong. This is so wrong. Not unless the 2 women approve. It's not wrong. It's only wrong if you're taking advantage of the 2 men and them don't know. If the 2 men are okay with it, long term, it's not wrong, sweetie. It's very taboo. Very taboo. But listen to me, we don't know what man like in a war. The emperor. Surely you didn't expect the emperor's sexual demeanor to be the same as a page. Anyways, I'm going to leave it here until, no, I can't leave it here. I can't leave it here, Emperor. I can't leave it here. I don't want to hear sad stories, cause the damage already done. Yes, the soul was sold. We have Aquarius. We have Wednesday. What day is today? I think today is Tuesday. Ooh, I'm sorry, I read tarot so much, I'll just lose sight of time sometimes. We have Leo. And we have Shark. Where the was I? Today's Thursday. Duh. I'm going to leave it here. Until next time, bye.